Hello, everyone. It's Senora, and I'm just kind of sitting outside here. Well, I am sitting outside, not kind of sitting outside. And wanted to just make a quick message for all of you to say thank you for your efforts and keeping in touch and all the book recommendations and drawings and paintings you've shown me um, over the last few months. I really wish we could have been together for the last few months in class. I really enjoyed having all of you and have really missed seeing you. I was fortunate I got to see some of you recently over the last couple of weeks at some events in town. And I wish I could have seen you in person more on a daily basis. I want to thank you for all of the smiles and the laughs and the creativity you've shown me throughout the course of the whole school year. And the book recommendations, I may have already mentioned that, but I'm about halfway done with the second book that a student recommended over the last few months. I'm saying way too much. I'm annoying myself again. But really just wanted to say thank you all for your tenacity and resilience and for your sense of humor and your creativity and for giving me the privilege of being in your lives for the last several months or couple of years, whatever it is. And I really hope we get to see each other in person in the fall. If you want to or need to touch base at any point in time over the summer, you know how to get in touch with me. You'll be off my Canvas account probably some point in time, mid to late July, but I will be checking email daily, and I also still have Remind. And I guess that's about it. So stay safe. I hope that you're able to have a good summer as much as possible with all the craziness going on right now. And miss you all. Hope to see you in the fall. Adios, and thank you for sticking with everything through what's been a pretty crazy year in a variety of ways. Stay safe and look out for each other. Miss you all. Bye-bye.